In today's video, we are going to discuss about cell. Cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Hence, it is known as basic unit of life. To see what I mean, let's imagine a room. Here brick is the building block. A room can't be built without bricks. Like this, we can't imagine an organism without cell. An organism can be both unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organisms are composed of a single cell. For example, amoeba, bacteria, yeast, paramecium, etc. They are capable of independent existence. The single cell can perform all the essential function of life like respiration, digestion, excretion, reproduction, etc. So it doesn't show division of labor. Most of these organisms are microscopic. But when we see multicellular organisms, they contain variety of cells. For example, human, dog, trees, etc. They show division of labor, where different groups of cells perform specific functions. They are visible to naked eye. A cell has three main parts: cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. The cell membrane surrounds the cell and controls what goes in and out. The nucleus contains nucleolus where cell's genetic material is present. Cytoplasm is fluid that contains various cell organelles like lysosome, centrosome, ribosomes, Golgi body, microtubules, vacuole, mitochondria, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum. They perform specific function within the cell. Now we are looking at the discovery of cells. In 1665, Robert Hooke used an early compound microscope to examine a thin slice of cork. He observed honeycomb-like tiny hollow compartments which were actually dead cells. He named these structures cellulae, which means small chambers. The word cell is originated from cellular. Later in 1673, there was a scientist known as Antony van Leeuwenhoek who first discovered living cells. He is known as father of microscopy as he invented the first practical microscope. Another scientist called Rudolf Virchow who stated that omnis cellula is cellula means the new cells originate from the pre-existing cells only. In 1831, Robert Brown discovered nucleus from the roots of orchid. Let's move on now to talking about what the cell theory is. Cell theory was given by German botanist Schleiden and German physiologist Theodor Schwann. According to this theory, all living organisms are composed of one or more cells. Cell is the structural and functional unit of living entities. All cells arise from the pre-existing cells of the similar kind. It means all new cells are created from older cells through the process of cell division. So this was all for this video. Thanks for watching and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.